Welcome to the beautiful Hallstatt, a small town in the district of Gmunden, in the Austrian state of Upper Austria. The town lies on the national road linking Salzberg and Graz. Hallstatt is known for its production of salt, dating back to prehistoric times, and gave its name to the Hallstatt culture, the archaeological culture linked to Proto-Celtic and early Celtic people of the early Iron Age in Europe, circa 800 to 450 BC. Hallstatt is part of the Hallstatt cultural landscape declared as one of the World Heritage Sites in Austria by UNESCO in 1997. Is it worth visiting? See the video, and if you like it, grab your backpack or suitcase and go. Ferry to the town. In Hallstatt, the railway station is on the opposite side of the lake from the historic World Heritage town. To get there, a ferry boat departs in sync with the arrival and departure times of the trains. The ferry landing stage is located right in the heart of Hallstatt, just a short walk from the market square. Hallstatt Skywalk, the World Heritage View. This pointy-shaped steel structure is located just below the Rudolfsturm, 12 meters above the abyss. Anyone brave enough to venture out there is rewarded with a unique view of Hallstatt and the World Heritage region. Thanks to the cable car on the Salzberg, elevator, and panoramic bridge, the platform is easily accessible for families and seniors. The structure weighs about 200 tons, with 60 cubic meters of concrete serving as a counterweight to ensure the platform floats securely above the ground. Evangelical Church of Hallstatt. The Neo-Gothic Evangelical Church of Christ, founded in 1863, is located right in the center of Hallstatt. Initially built as a house of prayer on October 30th, 1785, the church was granted full rights of citizenship and equality for evangelicals in their ecclesiastical and political life by Emperor Franz Joseph I. This marked the beginning of the construction of the new church. After just 5 years, the new church was completed in October 1863. Catholic Church of Hallstatt. Nestled against the mountain, the Catholic Parish Church of Hallstatt is a hidden gem. Together with the world-famous Ossuary and the serene mountain cemetery, this historic pilgrimage church attracts visitors from all over the world. The late Gothic winged altar by master craftsman Leonhard Assel is well known beyond Austria's borders. It's considered the foundation of the miners and represents a unique piece of art history. Additionally, today's starting point of the colorful Corpus Christi procession was once the site of one of the most spectacular art thefts.